Today I'll be showing you the long tail cast on. First, let's measure out how long our tail needs to be. You want to make sure that you always start with a little bit extra. An easy way to measure the amount of yarn you need for your long tail is to wrap the yarn around the needle. One wrap per stitch you want to cast on. So, if we are casting on 10 stitches today, we would wrap the yarn around 10 times. So let's take a look at that. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's about how much yarn we'll need for our long tail. Great, so now we're ready to make our slip knot. Just create a circle in your yarn and form a loop and then pull the tail through. If you pull on the tail, the loop should close up around your finger. Now let's put that loop on our needle. Just make sure that your long tail is hanging in the front and that the strand that's going to your ball of yarn is in the back. Let's pull the threads together now, still making sure that the long tail side is at the front. Next, you have to pinch both of the strands of yarn with your fingers. Many people hold it between their middle finger and ring fingers, leaving your pointer finger and thumb free. But if you have a weak ring finger like me, you can wrap it around your pinky or hold it any way you like as long as it's secure, and you can move your pointer finger and thumb. Now we're going to stick our pointer finger and thumb in between the two strands, remembering to keep the long tail strand at the front, touching your thumb. Make sure you can rotate your wrist back and forth. For the cast on, first you will rotate your hand so your thumb is on the left, and stick the needle underneath the front of the loop around your thumb. Then rotate your hand to move your thumb to the right. Now move your needle around the thread held by your pointer finger and bring it back through the loop held by your thumb. Then you can pull the stitch tight. Again, we go through the loop on the thumb, twist the hand around the thread on the pointer finger, and pull it through the loop on the thumb and pull tight. You can see the stitches starting to form on the needle. Let's see it a few more times. And there you have some stitches on your needle with the long tail cast on method.